Hi guys and welcome back. So it's a horrible, wet and windy December. Start again. Hi guys and welcome back. So it's a horrible, wet and windy December. Storm irritating idiot is coming. I don't know which one we're on. We're on the second or third one now. As usual, we're quite rammed up with cars. But this week, stop running around everywhere. We have got a bit of an old school Ford. So this week we've got, check you up here, Mk1 Fiesta. So this is a race car. It's going back as a race car. It's been blasted before, but they've obviously been working on it. A lot of work on the bulkhead. They've got it ready for the cage. So it's just got usual dust because your hands are greasy and acidic. So they will set it off rusty. So because it's so horrible out there and I'm waiting for customers to turn up to pick their bits up and the vapour blaster's gone pop. Thank you, Jim. Where am I there? So I'll put a picture of Jim up there. Should be one of my selection I've got. Thank you for yesterday. We've found out some fuses from the dark ages gone pop, so we've had to mail order those. So anybody that's been waiting for vapouring, I do apologise. Fingers crossed this week they should be here. So it should be well working by the time this video comes out. So we're blasting everything on the Fiesta. While I've been waiting, I fitted the rotisserie on the front. I've just finished bolting the back section on. I've just got to apply the jig to it. But we're basically doing all the car except for the roof because the Ben's already got the roof all good and epoxied. So we're going to get it on the jig, get straight on it. I've got a few other little bits, prop shaft, axle, a few panels and bits to do at the same time. But I need to turn this one round as quick as possible because they're desperate for it. This is going to Goodwood. So they've got a lot to do to get this ready. I've also got a Hillman Imp from Chaël Restoration. This is one, it's come from North Wales, I think, from memory. We've actually got another one coming. Thank you to, I don't know who you are. Put in the comments who you are. We've got North Wales, Brexham? Can't remember. Maybe I'll find it and put it up here. Next week we've got Hillman Imp coming down. One of the guys that watches YouTube saw our video the other week. Come here, and run the body shop up, asked them to send it down to us to blast it. So that's really cool. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. We've got that. My lord, we've got loads of stuff, blasting, vapouring, all going on. So we're rammed right up through Christmas and to the other side. So stop babbling and let's get it on the jig. Oh, that's not nicely balanced. there we go. That's not nicely balanced, but not a lot we can do because the customers put the main brackets to the car. We just have to make a bracket to go onto theirs. That's cool. Right, let's have a quick look around and get straight into the blasting. It should be quite quick because most of this is like an etch primer on top of it. Some's epoxy. That shouldn't too bad. The hardest thing is seeing the difference between light grey and rust and just clear metal. Excuse me, must be coffee time. You'll see as we blast, you have to be methodical because it's very easy to miss stuff. This will be staying bare metal. It's going back, and then Ben at Goodies is going to bake it into epoxy, and then they can leave the areas they've got to do work on. So let's have a go at this old girl.
in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life, cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. Watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go.
Right, first blast done. So it's going all right. There's a few little bits on there that the previous blast sort of missed, or they've taken stuff off and it's revealed bits of paint. It's a white car by the looks of it. But yeah, as you can see, that's the rusty horrible before. That's the nice after. I don't remember which way it was then. So yeah, Chaël's going all right. I've got some of the other side. I'm trying to get this through as quick as I can because we're on the, who knows when this video is coming out. I'm sure Jim will let me know that it's late. It's the Christmas run up. So we're beginning of December in a minute, or well into it. This I'm trying to get back because they want to make a start on this before Christmas. There's a Hillman imp out there already for Collinsea restoration. There's another Hillman imp coming. Thank you very much, whoever you are, from North Wales. I think we said it earlier, maybe last video, who knows. There's a phone box coming as well, plus loads of little bits and pieces out there in a minute, and the Vader blasters decided to die. So we're trying to fix that. Hopefully today the bits turn up. But yeah, so babbling on, inside's pretty well done. There's a few little bits and pieces. I did it the right way up. So now it's on its side, you tend to see more roofy bits. We're not doing the roof inside now because this is in epoxy prime already. Some little bits in here, there's a bit up here I've missed, which you'll see when we turn it back over. Oh, it's a shadow. That's a shadow. Forget that. So yeah, I've swept up already. So back in the hat, and these aren't going to be easy to do inside these arches because it's very tight. But yeah, let's give it a go. That's it, all done, all blasted. I've given it a, you see on camera, sort of camera, I can't remember what I did now. Give it a sort of stage one roll about, blowing it out. Now I need to, it's easier to trap the dust, so I hoover it and just keep blowing it away because it just goes around everywhere, but it's looking quite good. It's a good shell. I mean, it has had work done to it, but yeah, no, she's all good. So give it a few roll rounds, hoover out, and then get it back on the jig and get this out. I've got a few other bits and pieces sitting over there to do for them. So let's get back on the jig. Right, well that special tool, that's talking 300 miles an hour, forgot to take the camera off time lapse. So basically it's saying, ta-da, all done, back on the jig, good to go. Just got to do these bits, which I'm going to do now, and yeah, it's ready to go. So thank you for watching, guys, really appreciate it. Please share, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Next week, not a clue, probably won't be next week because we're around Christmas time now, or we've gone past it. Who knows with my editing. Probably won't do the Hillman Imp because just seen one a couple of weeks ago. It's a twin headlight Sport, this one from North Wales. So I don't know, could be something, maybe something on BAS, because we have done a little bit on BAS, just learning how to try and structure the videos. Really hard, but we'll get there. So anyway, enough babbling. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. My knees on the Versailles in the middle of July. I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's your
Want me to get my wife down here to park it for you?
We ain't got that much time. Wait, she won't be out of bed yet. It's only 10 past 11.